Okay, for today's tip of the day. Recently I was asked, if you're working on two different projects, should you have two different sessions of Revit open and have each project in separate sessions, or do you open up one session and just have both projects in there? And then, if so, how do you keep track of what tabs go to what project? There's a workaround on that. So I'm going to basically show you this. But before we do, on my starter view, when I open up a template, just in case you didn't know, this is a side tip here. We create a sheet and make it a view, and basically we'll just call this project 1, and then this one here. And as you can see here, by doing that, I made it, makes it part of the tab name. And so here I want to say this one's project 2. Okay. Now, when you first open up Revit, you want to open up both projects, but before you start opening up a bunch of different windows, what you want to do is you want to go to tab views. What it's going to do is going to separate your projects basically, or separate your tabs. But in this case, since I only have two projects, it separates the tabs here. So for example, now when I open up, level 1 in this view, it stays on this side. So if I go to this project and open up, say, level 2, which is it opens up in this project. Now, of course, you can move tabs around, from project to project. Don't know why you would want to do that after you just went through the whole process of doing that, but you can do that. So if you have two projects and you want to keep them tabs separate, basically what you want to do is you want to do your tile views. All right. Until next time.